So I found a backrooms game on my iPad. So I thought, this is interesting. Has ads, but I don't feel like paying for ads because I'm broke as hell. Need to get a job. So like, if there's ads, I will pause. Well, I will stop recording, then continue recording when the ad is done. So we shall see what this game is about, because, yeah. How do we? So, next chapter. Oh, there's like different types of chapters. I'll be the hard. No thanks. You're just dumb! Get away from me! Get away, get away, get away, get away, get away, get away, get away. Oh my god, 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 oh my god. So I didn't know it has a complete task. Interesting. It was an interesting game. When I do have like a laptop and like a PC, I will like actually play. But I thought this would be like a quick little see, but it's a good game, right? But I will see if I can try and get like a key. So I will try start the power. Okay. Okay. So I think I figured out how to do it now. So I figured out how to do this.
What, 2 people? What the fuck?
So there are apparently I'll try and finish chapter 1 and stuff as first as the hider, and then I'll be the seeker trying to like make sure nothing happens. But I think I'll just stick with the hider than a seeker. So I try and complete number, like chapter 1 and stuff. So yep. And please ignore anything that goes on my phone or in the background, please. I'm done. I finished it. Okay. Well, that one's done. So that one was easy. I see 5 levels. So I think there's like, yeah, 5. There's 5. So we done 1, 2, and 3. So we need to do 1, 2, 3, 3 more to do. So I'll be hider again. Okay. Done. Yes. I do not want to time. I do not feel like actually doing all that. So that one was kind of easy actually. And then, you know, I'm saving you guys from all the ads that I have to watch. Ooh, so there's like a store. That's actually kind of cool. So I want to try and like get one of these. So I'm going to try and like victims. Cool actually. Okay. We shall go on to number 4 and finish chapter 1. If you guys do like this, please tell me. This is kind of my first video that I'm gonna reveal my, like, not reveal, but like actually talk in the video. And I just kind of found this on my iPad on the App Store. So if you guys, I will try and leave a link in the description for you guys. If not, I will just tell you the name of the game if you guys want. Okay, we're gonna be hiders. Okay. Oh, done. Haha. So we've done that one. Number 5, the last one, and then we go on to the next chapter, which will be the next part if you guys want another part. Let's be a hider again. Why do you sound like that? Damn it, I have to try this again. Well, let's try this again and see if I can do it. Done it! I completed it. Now it says go in the next chapter, and I will unlock. And we unlocked the aquarium park. Oh, there's like siren head and stuff. This will be the next chapter. Apparently there are 7 levels of this. So you guys do want another, well, another part of this, please let me know if you did enjoy this and stuff. I will try and work on an outro. But if you guys did enjoy this, please like and subscribe. I want to reach, for subscribers, I want to reach up to 100. That's like the minimum that I do want to reach. And with the likes, at least like 1k likes, I hope, or like 100 or 30 likes is at least. But if you guys did or did not like it, please do it on the like or dislike button. Let me know. If you guys do want another part of this, please comment down below. Okay, bye!